Welcome to our channel, where we share expert tips on revamping your space with ultimate home decor ideas. Whether you're looking to transform your living room, bedroom, or any area in your home, we've got you covered. First tip, let's talk about color. Choosing the right color scheme can make a huge difference in the overall ambience of your space. So, opt for light and neutral colors to create a sense of calm and openness. Next, let's move on to furniture placement. Rearranging your furniture can instantly change the flow and feel of a room. Consider the functionality and focal point when positioning your pieces. It's all about making the most of your space. Now, let's discuss lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience. Incorporate a mix of natural and artificial light sources to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget to add some beautiful fixtures as well. Accessories can bring life to any room. Think about adding throw pillows, blankets, and curtains that complement your color scheme. Don't be afraid to showcase your personal style with decorative items and artwork too. Lastly, don't forget the power of plants. Indoor plants not only add a touch of nature but also purify the air and promote a sense of well-being. So, bring in some greenery to liven up your space. Remember, revamping your space is all about expressing your personality and creating a space that truly feels like home. We hope these tips inspire you to take your home decor to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Happy decorating!